Let's learn how you can add new location to your Google Maps. So let us start by opening our Google Maps application. Now when you find the spot you want to add a new location for, you'll just have to press and hold on the screen where you want to set your location to. You will see this red pin and it will open this section with a lot of options. Now here are two things you can do. You can save the location and you can add the label for location. For example, what will this do? This will open a new page and you can select the name and type the name for this label. I will just type an example. And as you can see, now the label will be added. Now, if you want to add something different, for example, like your business, or you can just add a missing place, you can click on your profile picture of Google and it will open this pop-up. Now at the end of it you will see these two options: add a missing place and add your business. For a missing place, for example, you'll see these options and things you have to fill in. So basically, place details and information about this place. Here you can add a name, category, address. You can just edit map and select where you want to be, for example, for the right exact location of that thing you want to add, and that's it. You can, if you want, add more details. For example, if it's coffee shop or nightclub, you can select their working time. The process and method is similar for the business one, so I will not show that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.